Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and today I am going to be flat ironing this hair. If you're interested to see how I get my hair like this, then just keep on watching. I set my flat iron to 450 degrees and start in the back. I am starting out with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I've also added all of my leave-in conditioners and my heat protectant. I try not to use combs if I don't need it, so you'll see me using my fingers a lot in this video. Sometimes if the section that I've picked up is too large, I'll divide that into a subsection and work with that. If you were wondering what I have wrapped around my flat iron, that is called magic tape. It is supposed to smooth and silken your hair and also even out the heat on the plates of your hot tool. Right in the crown of my hair is where I want to get the most lift. So you'll see with the iron, I'll curl that section closer to the root. With the very top section, I want that to be a bit feathered back, but a tighter feather so it'll last throughout the week. Take those same steps and repeat them on the other side. I finished this look using organic coconut oil. I put that all over my hair. I love the benefits of coconut oil. I love the way it smells. It makes my hair shine. It makes it super manageable and soft. Alright guys, so this is it. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, also that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And until next Sunday, be love.